Gardening in July might seem daunting due to the heat, but it's a fantastic time to plant certain crops that will thrive. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent choices. Spinach grows quickly and prefers partial shade. Kale is resilient and nutrient-rich. Swiss chard is heat-tolerant and visually appealing with its colorful stems. Beets, carrots, and radishes can be planted in July. Beets offer edible roots and greens. Carrots need well-drained soil, and radishes grow rapidly, ready for harvest in just a few weeks. Bush beans and pole beans are great for midsummer planting. Bush beans grow quickly and are space-efficient. Pole beans need support but provide a continuous harvest until the first frost. Basil, cilantro, and dill thrive in July. Basil loves the sun, cilantro prefers some shade, and dill is hardy and attracts beneficial insects. Summer squash and zucchini are prolific producers. Plant them in July for a late summer harvest. They thrive in the heat and provide abundant yields. Cucumbers need plenty of sunlight and water. Turnips grow quickly and offer edible roots and greens, making them versatile additions to your garden. With the right crops and care, your garden can remain productive and vibrant well into the fall. Happy gardening! Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update.